Coming up in this video, attempting of fixing the AC unit leakage on M5 F10. Headlight exchange OEM for an LED parts. And how the weather can interrupt everything and finish the day before it's supposed to be. To begin the working day at the workshop, we decided to take the BMW M5 F10 and solve the problem with AC unit leakage. The final endpoint of leakage was located just exactly at the radiator, so we decided just to remove it completely and exchange it with something new one. Apparently this AC radiator in the F10 models sits just between it to another radiator, so we decided to put it on a bridge and just have a better access for it. Meanwhile, the M5 going on bridge, I will change the headlights on the M3 E90. Basically, I will just exchange the OEM for LED one. You just need to unscrew a couple of screws, get the old one and just put new one inside. And it sounds pretty easy, right? But the pain comes at the point that the LED is substantially longer than the OEM one. But after the countless attempts of trying to fit it somehow, doing magic with a screwdriver, make it happen, and you finally can get it inside. After the successful installation of the LED, I just connected everything up, put all two covers back to its place and screw it up together, and make it whole unit once again. And make it twice with another headlight. Now back to the M5. After removing the dust covers and dismounting the front bumper, front radiators was almost revealed. But all this repairing was interrupted with weather, apparently, another guest at our workshop. While the rain gave us at least some break, we continue to work on the M5 and dismantle everything else which was in front of the radiator, all these metal brackets, plastic sinks, and etc, etc. But at the end it wasn't even possible to work anymore on this because the rain comes back even with much more power and starts to rain like a hell. We was forced to just somehow rescue all of this and managed to get the water out of workshop.